Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to mail merge in Microsoft Word. So for us to get this done, let's just go ahead and put some email here or a message here. I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. For example, this one right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and try to do something here in order for me to do a mail merge. I'm going to go ahead and click the mailing is here at the top and click start mail merge. And we're going to go ahead and do letters. So I'm going to go ahead and click this one. And then for the recipients, you can go ahead and click type new list or use an existing list. So I'm just going to go ahead and click type this one. We're going to go ahead and create from the scratch, and I'm going to show you. So these are all information that you need to fill in. We have title, first name, last name, company, address list. This is our address line 1, 2, and then city, state, zip code, country, and so on and so forth. So, all right, there I go. So now we have the address list. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK here. And we're going to go ahead and save this one. I'm just going to save this in a downloads folder. This is the address list. And then click the save button right here. And there you go. So from this time, let's go ahead and click address block right here. So what's going to happen is you should be seeing something like this. Insert address block. You're going to go ahead and see how this is going to look. So you have just this. Okay, so just from the name, that's an example, by the way. So yeah, there are different options that you can try here. So I want you to go ahead and try to explore this one. Let's go ahead and try to use, all right, just this one. And then insert company name. You can definitely disable that one. Postal address. And yeah, there you go. Click OK. And you have the address block right here. Click preview results in order for you to see how this is going to look. You can go ahead and try formatting this one. So let's remove spaces. There you go. And then you can make the first one bold as well. So if we head over here, you should be able to see how others are looking right now. So I think this is pretty awesome. Yeah, go ahead and click finish and merge right here. Print documents or send email messages definitely depends on you. I'm gonna go ahead and print this in my case. Click OK. And I'm just gonna go ahead and save this. And there you go, everyone. So this is how it is looking right now. You can see that when I head over to the other, basically it's just changing this one. So yeah, that is how you're gonna do it. Congratulations. I hope this video helps you out.